How to set up iCloud Photos Share Library on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we go down and tap on your account name. Next, in here, go down and then tap on iCloud. Then tap on Photos. Then we scroll down and tap on Share Library. Now, with Share Library, you can share photos and videos from moments spent together with family and close friends in one library. So tap on Share Library and then tap on Get Started. Next, tap on Continued Anyway. So that photos and videos in the Share Library will not be available on these devices until they are updated to the latest version. So the following devices down here will not be able to use share photos until you update them. So I'm going to tap on Continue Anyway. Next, you need to add in the participants which you want to share with. And here say you own the share library and can invite up to 5 other people. So you can share your library with 5 other people. So tap on Add Participants. In here you can tap on the Add button to search for contacts in your contacts list, or you can simply just type in the name. And in here, select a contact, then tap on Add again to add in more participants. And here we can just type in the name. After that, tap on the Add button. So now I have 2 participants. Then tap on Next. In here, choose how you want to share your photos. So you can share all your photos and videos, or you can choose by date, or you can choose manually. So you can select manually, or you can choose to share everything in your photo libraries. And then tap on Next. In here, it says Preview the library before sharing. So you can tap on Preview, Share Library, or tap on the Skip button. And from here, I can choose what I want to share in here. And then tap on Setup. So we go back to Setup. So I'm just waiting for that to let me go. Just going to tap on the Close button for now, see what happens. Okay, I'm just going to go back because when I try to tap on the button, nothing happens. So go back and I'll do it again. So continue setup. Then next, you can invite your share library via messages or through share link. I'm going to tap on share link. And then you can copy the link, or you can simply use AirDrop or send the link via messages or email. So select a method that you want to use. You can also share via Facebook Messenger as well. So I'm just going to tap on copy for now. And here you can choose to share automatically or share manually only. And here said add photos and videos directly to your share library with the library button. Choose to share automatically when participants are nearby with Bluetooth or share manually. And here I'm going to choose share manually only and then tap on done. And that's it. So we have now created a share library. So if I go back into my settings, then I go into iCloud and then tap on photos. If I scroll down, you can see here in my share library, 2 other people can view my photos. They can view photos from my library. And whenever I take a photo, it will automatically share to them. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.